Okay, this is our latest Bridgeport Milling machine, finished for a customer. It's had a full rebuild. It's got the belt drive head, 48-inch table, so a slightly longer table, 2-axis DRO, SponMech guarding system, and the LED light. So let's run through this machine now, show you they're all working, and if you want to, please come down and view our machines if you fancy buying one. Okay, so full regrind to the X, Y and Z axes, including the top of the table and the two sides, all reground to make sure it's all square and true. Lovely and smooth. Brand new lead screws, brand new nuts in there and so on. So it keeps it smooth and spot on all the way across. Same with the Y axis, lovely and smooth all the way across. Again, brand new lead screw, brand new nuts and so on. Same with the knee, brand new lead screw and so on, all down there. There's quite a large bearing that holds the Z-axis lead screw at the top, and that's all been replaced. We do that on every machine, regardless of whether it's reground or not. So that's absolutely spot on. All the locks are working, so the X, the Y, and they're all the knee, they've all been serviced and working as they should. The lube system's basically been replaced, so brand new lube pump by Bridgeport down there, new lube pipe, and all the lube metering units, all the pipe internally underneath the table here has all been replaced as well. Okay, there's the LED light, IP65, it's got a little rubber switch on the bottom there, it's really nice. Okay, so let's test the power feed. So this is the latest Align power feed. It's 110 volts, and it's the highest power one you can get. And obviously we fitted safety handles as well on the X-axis. So the variable speed, and just press the button at the top for the rapid override. And of course you can adjust these stops to wherever you need them to be. And hidden inside there's some extra stops just to ensure that it doesn't over travel. So you can move them wherever you like, just don't take them off, and then you'll be absolutely fine. Okay, so that's all working as it should. This guard's double interlock, so if you open it like this, it will shut down. If you move the arm fully over that way, it will also shut down as well, and you can adjust it to wherever you want. If you want to tighten it up, see this nut hit this little bolt here and here, that tightens up this area and the big arm as well. So it's all spot on for you. Okay, so firing up on the main spindle now. It's a twin speed belt drive motor. So that's the first speed, and that's the highest speed. That really is going very quickly now. Okay, both running absolutely spot on as they should. Hit the brake just to show you it does work, and then reverse now. Absolutely spot on in reverse. Okay, now we'll go back to forward. We're on the first speed on the motor, that is. And before I do that, let's check show you the low range running. So at the moment we're in high range, that's on the gear now. Okay, so you move this handle to the front, make sure it locks in, and this handle here wants to come round to the right hand side. Okay, and that's low range. So I'll test it again in low. Okay, just as quiet in low. Again, the two speeds on the motor. Hit the brake and then reverse now. Just as quiet. Okay, so back to high range now. So when you're changing from move this handle to the back and move this one to the front, so go to high. But when you go from low to high, you've got to just turn the spindle. You've got to listen for a pop. You've got to make sure the gears, there's two gears there that need to mesh. So as a turn now, it should pop in. There you go, you need to wait for that. Okay, and now you're safe to fire up on the main motor here. So there we go. So now we've done all that testing, we're going to test the quill for you. So, let's move that to the top. Okay, I'll engage the quill, and you see it starts to feed down now. So for every spindle speed we've got 3 different feeds. That's the highest, that's the slowest, and that's the medium when it's at the bottom there. So they're all working as they should. Back to the high range, so it doesn't take too long on the video, and I'll let it trip out itself just on the stop there. With any of these machines we can add 3 or 4 axis DRO as well, so you can specify anything you want. You can add a Y-axis power feed or a Z-axis power feed if you want to. Okay, so we want to reverse it now on the feed reverse knob here, but you must come off the stop before you do that. Just come off the stop, pull this knob out in this particular case, and it'll reverse it for you now. See, it's feeding back up as it should. So that works great. Okay, I'll just stop it in a second, I'll reverse it again just to show you it's all working fine. Okay, disengage that, do the reverse again, engages, absolutely spot on. Okay, disengage that now, turn the spindle off. Okay, and I'll just show you the guard. Before I do that, the quill going up to the top, put the quill lock on, and it locks on. Locks as it should. Okay, you can move this handle to wherever you want it to be. It's a quick position handle, really nice. And I'll just show you the guard working as well. So it'll shut down, it's got a double interlock on it. So shuts down like that, and shuts down when you move it like that as well. And again, you can just tighten it up on these pieces here, and just move it to whatever position suits. Okay, so thanks for watching. Again, if you do want a machine like this, check us out on gtmachineparts.co.uk. Thanks for watching.